If you are looking to increase your collection of houseplants without spending any money propagating spiderets, they are spider plant babies. From the mother plant is as easy as it gets. There are 3 ways to propagate your spider plant and turn those babies into new full-grown plants. Number 1 is propagate in water. Number 2 is plant spider plant babies directly in soil. Number 3 is root spider plant babies in soil while still attached to the mother plant. If you want to grow your plant in a right way, then you are at the right place, because here you can find the answers of all your how-tos just by clicking the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe to my channel for enjoying happy gardening with me. When your spider plant matures, it will send out multiple runners with delicate white flowers on the ends. These small flowers will become the new little plants. Try to be patient. Let the babies grow a bit before doing anything. After a while, you will start seeing small nubs appearing on the bottom of the plantlets. These are aerial starter roots. You want these. Let's start collecting some mature spiderets. These are all immature spiderets, and they will take time to develop baby roots or nubs. We don't need these because these are immature one. These are mature one and has developed baby roots, and we need this. This is also mature one, and we need this one. We don't need this long wiry stem, and we will cut it above the node. Each bunch possesses many spiderets, so we need to separate them. And it's easy, just pluck it along with its nubs. The baby spiders are basically complete plants already, just miniature version. Now I have got 4 baby plants from each bunch, and you can see each plant has its profound baby roots. We will do the same job with the other branch as well, and you can see this branch producing many spiderets along its branch other than the bunch. So let's enjoy plucking lots of baby plants. I've got these 4 baby plants from the first branch and all these from the second branch. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see all these baby plants has its own babies. And these are their babies. And in total I have got 11 baby plants from the mother plant. Yay, hey, hurrah, I'm happy. It means I'm going to grow 12 spider plants in my house. Wow, it's lovely. Now you can start thinking about how you want to grow your new spider plants. Do you root them in water first, or dive right in and put them straight into the soil? Maybe go for striking visual at potting them but leaving them attached to the mother plant. Whichever way you choose, make sure to give the plantlets adequate bright but indirect sunlight. No full sun is required. When you propagate plants in water, you are letting the roots grow first before transferring the plantlets to the soil. Place the babies in a small glass vessel with a little bit of water. You want the water to only cover the roots of the baby plant. Make sure to keep the water clean by changing it regularly. Once the plantlets develop good roots, you can transfer them to a small pot with well-draining soil. The simplest way to propagate the spider plant is just to cut off the babies and plant them directly into the soil in their own pots. This way it could take a little longer for the plant to settle in and show new growth, but that is nothing to worry about. Your plant is working on its root system first. Until you see new leaves appearing, keep the soil slightly moist, but not too wet. When you think of it, keeping the plantlets attached to the mother plant is most like how they grow in their natural habitat. The mother pushes out the long stem and grows her babies all around her. The babies hang down and come in contact with the soil. See the root right there next to the mother. To mimic this, don't cut them loose. Just put the baby spider in a small pot filled with the moist soil next to the mother plant. Don't pot it too deeply. Only the starter roots need to touch the soil. This way, the plantlet gets strength from its own soil and at the same time is still being cared for through the stem by the mother. Wait until the baby starts to show new growth, then cut it away from the parent. Plant a few spider plant babies together in one pot for an instantly fuller look.